you have any idea to want to achieve the results?
Okay. Since I have butterfly Raya with me, so normally I always blow perm before I leave the house. So I thought that I want to perm my hair, but most of the places they reject because they say since I bleach my hair, so I can't perm because that will really damage the hair further. So when I found your page, you said that you can consider looking at the texture of my hair. So and then I saw a lot of testimonial of your page. They have bleached hair or they have colored hair, and the results of their perm or other things that they do turn out well. So I thought of giving it a try.
Because I saw the conditions still okay. Because my customer, they are more terrible than your hair conditions.
Okay.
Your, for me, is very small matter only. Okay, you just process it to last longer. I need to come higher before you.
Sure.
Because like this, when you cut 1 or 2 times, the curl is still visible on the bottom. How you think this hairstyle suitable for you?
Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy that it's so soft, and I can see that it never really damaged my hair further. So happy with that. Thank you so much.
And this is very easy to maintain also. Just like the after wash, you apply some serums and blow dry and twist your hand to the back so like until we go to the forward. So if let's say one come the fairy like this, go to the back.
Go to the back. Okay,
but
right.
your